is on one sample t-test and how it can be analyzed using SPSS. The one sample t-test, as the name implies, has one sample drawn from a population. It's a parametric test, that is, the data is normally distributed. And the purpose of this is to compare a data set to a predetermined value. Number of dependent variable and independent variable is 1. Suppose a researcher is interested in testing a null hypothesis which states that there is no significant difference between the mean of test value and the mean scores of the samples. I already have a set of data on an Excel sheet which I want to import on the SPSS interface. It's titled one sample test. I'll import it on the SPSS page so I can analyze. There. My data view, I have a standard mean of 150 and sample means of about 20 people or students. I'll check my variable view to be sure they are measured at interval scale, and then I can begin to analyze. I go to analyze. I have a drop down. I choose compare means. I have another drop down. I choose one sample t-test. I have to put my test variables in the right place and then put my value, my test value at 150. I check my option to ensure that the confidence interval percentage is 95. Then I continue. Okay. The SPSS has done the analysis for me and these are the results. I want to interpret these results as thus. The first table shows a one sample statistics. The mean scores is the mean of the mean scores of the samples is 147 against my standard mean 150. This clearly indicates a difference from the test value of 150. The second table, which is the t-test itself, shows a t-value of 0.659, degree of freedom of 19, a two-tailed significance value of 0.52, which is greater than the assumed p-value of 0.05 at 95% confidence interval. So the researcher will conclude that since the table p-value is more than the assumed p-value of 0.05, it is therefore okay to reject the null hypothesis and uphold the alternative, because there is a statistical significant difference between the means. Thank you.